Hi guys, welcome back to video. So in the following video I'll unbox the Samsung Z Flip 6 phone, which is a foldable smartphone with a compact design, a pro level of 50 megapixel camera and features like Galaxy AI and all of it. And the main features of it are 6.7 inch main display with a 3.4 inch cover display, and this phone also boasts a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and a 4000 mAh battery features. The key feature of this design are it is compact and eye catching and is also a foldable design, and the display is 6.7 inch main display along with 3.4 inch cover display and all of it. The camera is 50 megapixel rear camera with 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, and it is also a 10 megapixel front facing camera along with the processor of Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. So let's unbox it. This is the box, so let's just open it from the very top, and as you can see this phone has a slick design along with its feature on the top, and this is the main background, and you'll also find various things like paper documents and all of the things in the behind of the Samsung Z Flip. So let's just open this first. So let's just take it out and see what are all included in it. Now there it is a type C to C type of charger for this phone, so let's just keep it at the very side, and alongside you'll find various documents like this, and you'll also be able to find SIM ejector along with the cover. So I don't know where the cover is right here, so you'll be able to find it right here. So let's just keep it at the very side. Now for the phone, let's just pick it from the here. So this is the main display of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip along with the core display which you'll find at the very back. So let's just peel this off. So this phone has a very slick design, and this is the main display which I told about it. This is 6.7 inch display, and this one is the 3.4 inch cover in display which is Super AMOLED, and that's it. Here you'll be able to find the 4000 mAh battery and all of it, and this is the front facing camera. So that's it. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Thank you.